In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Mailchimp. If you've already got a campaign set up and an image placed, this will be quick and straightforward. We'll simply open your campaign, enter the design editor, select the image, and adjust it right on the canvas so it fits your layout perfectly. Start on your Mailchimp dashboard and head to the campaigns area. This is where all your email campaigns live. Find the campaign you want to work on and open it so you can continue editing. Once you're looking at your campaign details, move into the email builder by choosing Edit Design. That will launch the editor and show you your email layout with all the content blocks. Now, click directly on the image you want to resize. As soon as you select it, the image block becomes active and you'll see handles appear around the image. These corner handles are what you'll use to resize. Click and drag a corner inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Using a corner keeps the proportions locked, so your image won't look stretched or squished. If you ever notice the image starting to distort, release your mouse and try again from a corner to preserve the aspect ratio. As you drag, watch how the image sits in the surrounding layout. Make sure headlines, buttons, and text still have room to breathe, and that the image doesn't overpower or get lost on the page. A good rule of thumb is balance. Hero images can run wider to anchor a section, while supporting images should be smaller so they complement your copy. Most email designs are built around a content area roughly 600 pixels wide, so keep scale in mind as you size up or down. Take a moment to consider mobile readers too. If the image feels huge on desktop, it might look even larger on a phone. If it's tiny on desktop, it could become hard to see on the smaller screens. Aim for clarity first, then style. If you resize too much or change your mind, simply drag the corner back toward the original size until it looks right again. When the image looks clean and consistent with the rest of your design, you're done with the resize. Continue building your email, and later on, make sure the overall layout still feels cohesive from top to bottom. That's all there is to it. Quick, visual, and right inside the editor. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.